There was a heated argument between Maruna and OA2, and OA2 wanted to run Maruna over with her car. Gabriel announced that there's a collaboration between Revelations and Genesis, despite Bonko refusing. And Wendu went to give Gabriel the songs Mpumi. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Genesis. And then Maruna had a visit from OA2 coming to warn her to stay away from Bonko and telling her that she will not be part of the tour. But Maruna, you know what? You can marry Bonko even tomorrow, but Nali Bonko is always going to be together. Bonko and Tlok. And then Maruna decides to go live, going on about how Bonko is her support system. People are even calling her Mrs. Taveto online. And this drove OA2 crazy. And when Maruna came outside, she wanted to go to her car. OA2 lost it and wanted to run her over with her car. Maruna itusha kauchava and went inside her yard. Wendu ahafa are hey wena unyakumkira unyakakumkieteng mara. What are you trying to do to my child? They went to OA2's house. They found her mom and dad and told them that OA2 wanted to run Maruna over with her car. But OA2 denied everything. She denied going to Maruna's house and wanting to run her over with the car, despite them saying she did, but she just denied it. And then Gabriel decided to do a public announcement announcing that Genesis Records and Revelations are going to be having a collaboration for this upcoming event. And people in the interview were like, how come? Because you guys are rivalries. I was like, nope, we are having this collaboration. Bonko lost it. I said, why is this guy announcing while I told him that there will be no collaboration? I to finish as and just make sure we've got nothing to do now, Gabriel. I cannot stand him. And then Bonko realized since he's forcing them, maybe they must just leave it because people are going to go crazy. They must just leave it to the last very end. But they decided, you know what, maybe we just need to release a statement. And then Gabriel continues to announce this to his team, Revelations, telling them about the tour and all. Wasisana is excited, which she'll be singing, not knowing because there's nothing confirmed yet. Gabriel is just forcing things. And then Gabriel is so excited, telling Bonko, I'm happy that you guys are working together. He even told Mawako Felicia, I'm happy you guys are working together. But Felicia was like, nope, we are not. There's still things that need to be sorted. And Babako just went ahead and announced without getting those sorted first. And then Gabriel decides to crash a private meeting between Team Genesis and now starts giving her 2 cents about who should be performing first and how they should line up performers. That's not going to happen. It's fine. If you want to disappoint abantu and tell them it's not happening, they might even ban stage and crash the whole event. Is that what you're willing to risk? And then Owen is always against Impumelelo Mpumi. They took Mpumi's songbook and went to give it to Gabriel. And not just the songbook, and also the recordings that she always does. Gave them to Gabriel. Mpumi is now looking for her songbook and can't find it. Wendy is acting as if she doesn't know it is, blaming or accusing of Malumake for taking it. Knowing exactly because she's the one who took it. It was in Wendy. And then Fisto is busy about Mtwana saying, hey, I'm a twinsy. Kanandi, like he is not a deadbeat dad. Unandi is not doing justice to him for shutting him out. And Pelofnaglosanda was a damage. Auntie Wishman, please slow down and just hear from Nandi first what she wants to do. Just listen to her. Busy, I'm a twins among dinga. I'm a twins. And then he goes to meet up Nandi. Unandi and Fisto, I don't think we're ready for a baby. We're not ready. But Fisto is like, hi man, I'm not going to walk away from my child. I mean, I want to be here for my baby. I'll be here every step of the way. I wonder if this is going to change in Mondogana and to keep the baby. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.